Welcome to my channel. This is Magic Hecate. Think you know your money history? From stock market crashes to lottery legends, this quiz will take you on a nostalgic journey through the most iconic financial moments. Challenge yourself and see how much you remember. Tips: you have to answer 30 questions. You get 10 seconds for each one. Let's get started. Who won the largest single-ticket Powerball jackpot in U.S. history, claiming over $2 billion in 2022? The largest Powerball jackpot in U.S. history was won by Edwin Castro in Southern California. In the 1980s, which famous stock trader was involved in one of the largest insider trading scandals in U.S. history? In the 1980s, Ivan Boesky helped prosecutors expose a massive insider trading scandal and bust junk bond king Michael Milken. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hit its first 1,000-point mark in which year, marking a major milestone? In November 1972, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbs to 1,000 units for the first time in its history, a milestone 76 years in the making. What was the nickname given to the 1987 stock market crash, one of the most dramatic single-day drops in U.S. market history? The correct answer is Black Monday. Which famous investor, known as the Oracle of Omaha, made his first stock purchase at age 11? Warren Buffett is the correct one. In 2016, a historic $1.586 billion Powerball jackpot was split among winners from which 3 U.S. states? California, Florida, and Tennessee is the correct answer. What company, founded by Jack Bogle in the 1970s, became famous for popularizing index funds? John Bogle founded the Vanguard Group, and he is credited with popularizing the index fund. Which country is home to the world's oldest stock exchange, established in 1602? Netherlands is the correct one. Which company became the first trillion-dollar company by market value in 2018? U.S. tech giant Apple first surpassed the trillion-dollar mark in August 2018, the first U.S. company to do so. What does IPO stand for in stock market terms? IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. In what year did the U.S. abandon the gold standard, leading to a shift in global economic policies? (1971) is the correct one. Which decade is most associated with the term stagflation, a period of high inflation and stagnant economic growth? It was the 1970s. What was the major economic event that defined the 1980s, leading to changes in banking regulations and widespread foreclosures? The savings and loan crisis is the correct answer. What term refers to an extended period of rising stock prices and positive investor sentiment? Bull markets result in rising stock prices over an extended period, often several years. The Great Recession of 2008 was triggered by the collapse of which financial market? During the GFC, a downturn in the U.S. housing market was a catalyst for a financial crisis that spread from the United States to the rest of the world through linkages in the global financial system. In the 1970s, Paul Volcker was known for combating which serious economic issue during his tenure as chair of the Federal Reserve? Inflation is the correct one. What are the odds of winning the Powerball jackpot, making it one of the most challenging lotteries to win? It is about 1 in 292 million. In what year did the dot-com bubble burst, leading to a significant downturn in tech stocks? It was in 2000. What payout option do many lottery winners choose that spreads the payments over time instead of receiving a lump sum? Annuity payments is the correct one. Who was the legendary investor and author of The Intelligent Investor, often called the father of value investing? Benjamin Graham was a renowned value investor, lecturer, financial securities researcher, and mentor to billionaire investor Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men, started his famous investment company, Berkshire Hathaway. In which decade? The 1960s is the correct answer. Who is the founder of the investment firm Fidelity, which became famous for its mutual funds in the 1970s and 1980s? Edward C. Johnson II is the founder of the investment firm Fidelity. The Dow Jones Industrial Average consists of how many companies? The Dow Jones Industrial Average is a stock market index of 30 prominent companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. What is dividend income in investing? It is payments made by a company to its shareholders. What is capital gains tax? It is tax on profits from selling an investment. What is the highest denomination of U.S. currency still in circulation today? $100 bill is the correct one. Which U.S. president signed into law the Social Security Act, providing financial support to retirees? The Social Security Act of 1935 is a law enacted by the 74th United States Congress and signed into law by U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The Powerball lottery was launched in the U.S. in what year, later becoming one of the largest lotteries in the world? The correct answer is 1992. Who was the chair of the Federal Reserve during the 2008 financial crisis, known for implementing aggressive monetary policies? Ben Bernanke is the correct answer. What is the term used to describe a 10% drop in stock market prices over a short period of time? It is correction. How many correct answers did you get? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting tests and to de-stress yourself.